What up? This is the Week of the Geek. I am your host, Nim. I'ma give you the inside scoop. Let us begin. Sony announced The Last of Us will be a live-action flick, and the director of the game will be the writer of the script. Naughty Dog is making movies? Man, salute. Just as long as they don't make a live-action Crash Bandicoot. New sequel, Transformers: Age of Extinction. Mark Wahlberg, main character. Let that sink in. Megatron turns into a Glock and pops Optimus Prime's shoulder, then Michael Bay throws in a big explosion, scraping the bottom of the barrel. Now we got Dinobots. Grimlock, really? Okay, after this, it's time to stop. David Goyer has filmed the pilot for Constantine, and he plans to put it out on network NBC. Will he fight demons and be British? Yes, but they're still negotiating on whether he can smoke cigarettes. Now we can take that crap from 05 and burn it. Seriously, throw Keanu Reeves' version in the furnace. Whoa. Watch Dogs. Watch Dogs, probably the game of the year, made by Ubisoft. Story of Aiden Pierce, a hacker getting hunted down, so he uses his phone to hack the city like, who wants it now? The trailer shows him pressing buttons, causing a ruckus, embarking on a mission, inflicting his own brand of justice. May 27th, on the day of release, I'll be the first in line for this cross-platform masterpiece. Sin City, A Dame to Kill For, ain't nothing better than Robert Rodriguez and Frank Miller. The first movie in 05 left me shocked and shook. It was the gritty standard for movies made from comic books. An all-star cast, Ray Liotta and Bruce Willis, still filled with prostitutes, sleuths, and killers. Gordon Levitt, Dawson, I wanna see a gun-toting buffoon with anger problems. Moon Knight #1, need to go and read that. Old Boy on DVD, need to go and peep that. Dark Souls 2 gameplay, you really need to see that. This was Week of the Geek, I'm outie, now where's my keys at?